Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming balances and activation. This prevents surprises later. Once done, take clear photos of the front, back, and barcode and save receipt images. Make sure the PIN is covered during photos but accessible for verification when required. Next, select your route, peer marketplace, dedicated exchange site, or a cash-out service based on fees and speed. Explain why. Different methods change payout percentage and risk. Then register or log in so you can list or submit the card immediately. Now create the listing or submission with full transparency. Buyers reject unclear listings. Describe the retailer, remaining balance, any usage restrictions, and set a realistic price after fee calculations. Once live, monitor messages and respond promptly to verification requests. This builds trust and shortens the sale. If using escrow, upload required images and masks when prompted. If direct, arrange payment method first. Explain why. Timely communication reduces disputes and speeds payout, while proper documentation prevents chargebacks and delays. Finish by confirming payment cleared before you reveal sensitive details. This protects you against fraud. Once payment is verified, send the PIN or barcode per platform instructions and ask the buyer to confirm redemption. Save screenshots or confirmation codes as proof of completion. If the buyer reports a problem, act quickly. Reopen the conversation, request a return or evidence, and escalate to platform support with your documentation. One troubleshooting tip. If funds are reversed, submit your original photos, timestamps, and communication logs immediately to dispute the reversal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.